All right, we're back. I've swapped out to the slug gun. I did put a red dot on. It says zeroing 25 meters, but I'm pretty much expecting out to 100 meters, it's still hitting that red dot. Pretty much right on spot. So let's go. Let's do her. Where did they go? There, right there. See something, but no. Yeah, it's caribou. All right, I gotta go to them. Hmm. Oh, yeah, but I have slugs, so. Really struggling here. Well, this group. Oh, there we go. I think. Yeah, yeah. Keep going. I won't leave. It's like no good targets here. Damn it. Yeah, we'll see how that does. Also kind of have an expectation that the Slug there would be a lot more recoil than what that looked like. But, you know, maybe semi-automatic makes it not so bad. I don't know. Go for it. Hmm. See where the placement was. I hit a vital, but oh man, this is a rough track. It has a good energy. Unfortunate placement being so high. I feel like it was lower than that. And it went straight through and didn't take the right lung. Hmm. That was a... Are they called a doe? I don't know for caribou. Yeah. Hmm. Slugs are not doing so hot quite at the moment. Oh, perfect. One star mature. Ooh, should I go for the 7 PRC? I probably should. One second, what? Almost at 200. Alrighty. What's this doing on? Need your head up, please. Oh, not yet. I think that too. Whoa, yeah. That was some good penetration, I'm guessing. Okay, let's check out this. I did not like a 270 can definitely take a moose. No problem. PRC is going to be theoretically, 7mm PRC should be a better 7mm or 270. I did not get the left lung, but he did drop. That's kind of crazy to me. I suppose I want to go a little further. 4-2. Yeah, that's good. He dropped though. That's the crazy part. That's great. Elky boys. All right. Ooh, kind of a bad wind. Maybe I'll come this way. Yeah, it looks like worth going after. How about we use the slug on an elk? See what happens. Not a big believer though. Okay. Hmm. Those antlers look pretty uneven. That's a curious situation. He looks like he wants to come right at me. I like that idea. Please come. feeling like it's high fitness of these ones. Some of these antlers are looking pretty decent. 75. I'm gonna do it. Hey, reload. Let's go see if any of these shots were good. Animal survived. Yeah, that was not good. Where are we at now? 23? Alright. Let's stop here. I want to maybe reconsider the slug gun.